Hey, Carrie Cutler here, author of Math Positive Mindsets, Growing a Child's Mind Without Losing Yours. And today my sons Quinn and Knox and I are doing an activity called Which is Quickest? This is a great activity for kids who are just learning about the passage of time. We don't have to worry too much about telling time on a clock until kids get into kindergarten or first grade, but even preschoolers can think about the passage of time. So what I have is a list, and I put the list of different activities in the description for the video. And the boys have investigated the activities, and now they're going to tell us which of these things they think they can do the quickest. So boys, of the activities that we have out here, putting together the puzzle, getting the G.I. Joe dressed, right, Quinn?
Yep.
Filling up the cup with the beans, and lacing the shoe. Which one do you think will be the quickest?
It's this one.
You think it's going to be putting together the puzzle?
This one.
And Quinn thinks it's going to be filling up the cup with the beans, right, Quinn?
Let's go.
All right. So how can we find out?
Racing.
We can race. On your mark, get set, go. And you can set a timer, you can use a stopwatch, or you can just have kids start the activity at the same time and find out which is quickest. I hope you're having a good time building math positive mindsets with your kids. Thanks.